White House has become the stage for a high-profile power play between President Donald Trump and billionaire Elon Musk. Trump's newly appointed chief of staff, Susie Wiles, has made it clear there's only room for one big personality in the West Wing. Susie Wiles, the first woman to serve as Trump's chief of staff and a veteran political fixer, is wasting no time in shaping her authority. Wiles has reportedly barred Elon Musk from securing a coveted spot near the Oval Office, making it clear that the president's inner circle isn't open to those looking to steal the limelight. During Trump's campaign, Wiles earned the nickname Ice Maiden for her cool composure and razor-sharp strategy. Now she's using that same approach to keep Trump's circle tight and Musk out. According to reports, Musk actively lobbied for an office in the West Wing, aiming to be just steps away from the president. But the billionaire's growing influence has sparked tension. The online chatter referred to Musk as the power behind President Trump and jokingly dubbed Trump Vice President Trump due to Musk's ability to dominate the spotlight might have worked against him. When asked by reporters if Musk would be given a position in the West Wing, Trump was quick to shut down the idea. Trump said that Musk is getting an office for about 20 people that they are hiring to make sure that these savings get implemented. Musk's leadership team has been placed in the Eisenhower Executive Office building, close to the White House but far from the West Wing's power epicenter. Musk's larger-than-life personality and ability to command media attention have reportedly caused friction within Trump's ranks. Online jokes calling Musk the power behind President Trump are adding fuel to the fire. With Susie Wiles firmly in control, the message from the Trump administration is clear. There's only one star in this orbit. And the drama unfolds. All eyes are on how the clash between two titans will play out. Bureau Report, India Today Global.